what are some of the things that you have found are top of priority for the group?
I want to start off by saying what a fulfilling experience it has been for me personally to manage all the CSR initiatives for Vinity Organics, which is a specialty chemical company with our manufacturing sites in Raigad and Ratnagiri districts of Maharashtra, and they are both in rural Maharashtra. So we tend to do most of our CSR work around our factories. It creates a lot of goodwill in the community, and it also benefits a lot of our workers' families. In fact, Swadesh has done some groundbreaking work for us in Raigad, and I always keep complaining to Zarina that when will you start working in Ratnagiri so we can start supporting you in Ratnagiri also. And so our Ratnagiri factory managers stop complaining that why Swadesh only working in Raigad and not in Ratnagiri. But one of the initiatives that is very, very close to my heart is the fact that Vinity Organics was one of the very first supporters of the Revive program. During the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of migration workers had lost their jobs and had migrated back to their villages without having anything to do, without having any livelihood or source of income. So through one of our partners, we started the Revive program, through which we gave grants to women entrepreneurs in Raigad and Ratnagiri to start their micro businesses without any moral obligation to repay the loan back to us. And after a year, we noticed that 99% of these women had repaid the loan back to us just based on pure ethical values. This allowed us to churn that money and to support another cohort of women in those areas. And this went on and on and on, creating a long-lasting multiplier effect. Through this, we have supported 10,000 women in Raigad and Ratnagiri district, and this is something that I'm very, very proud of.